In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data entry form in Google Sheets. Start by opening Google Sheets and creating a new spreadsheet, or opening the sheet where you want to collect data. This approach uses Google Forms, which is one of the easiest ways to build a clean data entry experience, because every submission will automatically save into your spreadsheet. Once your spreadsheet is open, go to the top menu and click Tools. In the drop-down, select Create a new form. Google Sheets will open a new tab with a brand new Google form that is already connected to your spreadsheet. This form is what people will fill out, instead of typing directly into your sheet, which helps keep your data organized and consistent. In the form, click the Form Title area near the top. Replace the default title with something clear and recognizable, such as the name of the data you are collecting. A good title makes it easier to find later and helps respondents understand what they are submitting. Now you can start designing the form by adding your questions. Each question you add becomes a column in the response sheet. Choose the question type that matches the kind of data you want, like short answer for names or notes, multiple choice for selecting one option, or checkboxes for selecting more than one. Keep your question labels specific, because those labels become the headers in your spreadsheet. As you create the form, Google Sheets automatically prepares a linked destination for responses. In your spreadsheet, you will see a new tab created for form submissions, often named something like a Form Responses sheet. This is where every entry will appear in a structured table, one row per submission, with timestamps and answers. When your form looks ready, click Publish. Confirm the publish action if prompted, so the form becomes available for people to use. Publishing is important because it turns your draft into an active form that can accept responses. Finally, click Publish again if you see a second confirmation button. After that, you can share the form using the available sharing options, and as people submit data, you will see it populate automatically in the Responses tab inside your Google Sheets file. That covers everything you need to know.